Hi everyone. Today's poem is going to be about childhood. Elizabeth Lawrence had once said, "There's a garden in every childhood, an enchanted place where colors are brighter, the air softer, and the morning more fragrant than ever again." How true are those words? I think really, really true. So let's get into it. Do you remember the days when you were young and it would rain and you would just draw out a sunshine on your car's window pane? There were no distances that felt very far. Everything felt within reach, even your favorite star. All you needed to do was close your eyes and dream. And there they were, the sunshine, stars, and the stream. So here's to childhood. Here's to keeping the child in you alive. If you carry your childhood with you, you will never ever grow old. I will come back with another poem very soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It definitely helps the channel. And also share the poem with your friends and family. Share it with your cousins. Just share it. Come on, you can. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to soak yourself in poetry.